Hello, today I'm in Audi A6. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage navigation. In the beginning take a look in the center of the car and now go to navigation. Here you can check route plan, go to last destinations, top categories or load from directory. You can create route, check navigation info and go to map. Also you can go to setup and here you can change map colors, orientation, intersection zoom, map type, map content, voice guidance, altitude display. You can delete last destinations, enter navigation start location, enable demo mode and check version. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.